Hey, what's up, peeps? This is Nevila from Nevila Land. Today, we're going to eat a Mickey Mouse's head. মানে মিকি মাউসের মাথা খাবো আজকে। চলেন দেখি। So my cousin decided to treat me. As when I came in, he said, "You will have to eat Mickey Mouse." So I did not realize what was he talking about now. I'm going to eat Mickey Mouse, he said. So let's see what kind of Mickey Mouse I'm eating today. Oh, that's what you're talking about, this one.
Pina colada cheesecake.
And then what is Mickey Mouse? Chocolate chiffon cake.
So you, what do you want?
Man, so cool.
I'll get a creme brulee. Get one.
So this store is in Disney Spring, Florida, and after coming in here, when I saw those Mickey Mouse head and all the Disney character themed cakes, I couldn't believe my eyes. It was so cute. The cookies and everything else was so cute that I was like, oh my gosh, how am I gonna eat this? মানে দেখার পরে এত মায়া লাগতেছিল যেগুলো খাবো কীভাবে ওইটা চিন্তা করতেই আমার কেমন যেন লাগতেছিল মিকি মাউস মিনি মাউস ডাফি Donald Duck, every single Disney character was there and it was so heartwarming. So we're just getting the cake and then we're gonna eat it.
Yep.
Oh man.
So we have the cake, other cake.
Yes, they're making it. We're going to get it out to you,
All
okay?
right, perfect. Thank you.
সো কেক কেনার পরে এখন আমরা বাসার দিকে যাচ্ছি এবং বাসায় যাওয়ার পরে মাসুম ভাই এক্সপ্লেইন করবে কিভাবে কেকটা খেতে হয় এবং কি কি আছে এটার মধ্যে ওকে Here you go.
What's up? What do you want?
Nothing. Can you? Okay, we got this cupcakes, and then now my brother is going to introduce all this.
Hello everyone, welcome to Florida. This is Sabir, your native channel to YouTube star. Today I'm gonna introduce some Florida dessert. These are actually made of real chocolate and real cream, and everything here is top of the line. The first one we're gonna introduce is the Mickey Mouse cake, Minnie Mouse cake. This is actually a chocolate multi-layered cake.
Nice.
Topped with a velvet of red jelly, which is made from berry and various fruits. And there is a chocolate ribbon, and there is the chocolate ears and the chocolate tail. And this is made. It's from a restaurant called. It's from a dessert place called Amarato. Let me tell you a little bit of about Amarato. Amarato is a 200-year-old dessert place that have been serving in Florida region. Usually they have a store in Disney Springs and some other places of the world, but and their desserts are excellent. I would say. If you are from Canada, you can compare that to a dessert place called La Roca Creative Kitchens,
Yes.
which is at
Yes.
Young and Eglinton. Okay, so they have the similar kind of cakes, but in Florida I haven't found anything comparative. So this is the first one on that. So the second one is a rum cheesecake. So this bottle of thing is a sweet rum, and there's a cherry, and there's cheesecake, and there is some other fruits inside of it.
And then it's freshly made.
And it is freshly made as when Nevila ordered, they just made it for her on the spot.
Exactly. Next.
And the next one is my favorite. This is actually creme brulee, but there's a twist in it. It is pumpkin creme brulee.
Nice.
So it's a pumpkin flavored creme brulee. This is one of the best creme brulees I've ever tried. It's perfectly creamy when you break it in, and it's topped with a sugar coated glass top and some fruits as well and nuts. And this is also made of fully sugar.
Nice.
All right,
So looks
that
like
is
you
the
know these cakes very well.
Oh, I'm a sweet monger. I mean, so I eat a lot of sweets.
Look at
so
these.
I tried
Okay,
desserts
so we're
and
gonna
various
dig in. All right, guys. So let's go. We're gonna dig in.
Let me show you how it's broken. So first you have to touch the glass and break it and then sink into it and take it cherry and strawberry and see how good it is. This is pumpkin flavor. See the color?
Oh, look at that.
Usually
Okay.
it's all no, off-white. Well, the sugar is not perfectly melted because it soaked into it a little bit. But this
Rena, go ahead. Go. So guys, this is called চেটেপুটে খাওয়া আমরা মিনি মাউস আর মিকি মাউসের মাথা লিটারলি চেটেপুটে খাইছি যা যা কেক আমরা কিনে আনছিলাম সব কিছু খাওয়া শেষ সবাই সবার কেক ট্রাই করছে একবার করে হলেও খুবই সফট খুবই লিটারলি এটাকে বলে শিফন কেক অ্যান্ড আসলে শিফনের মতন ছিল মানে মুখে দেওয়ার সাথে সাথে গড়ে যাচ্ছিল আর ডিজনি থিমড যেই কেকগুলো ছিল দেখার মতন ছিল আমি ওই স্টোরটা থেকে বের হতে পারতেছিলাম না এটা ছিল ডিজনি স্প্রিংয়ে টাম্পাতে এই কেকের স্টোরটা খুব নামকরা স্টোর সবাই ওখানে যায় ভিড় থাকে look how cute is this I mean unbelievably cute so if you like my video and if you want to know more about this cake you can always comment on my comment box until then you like and subscribe my channel and we are gonna see you on my next journey until then be blessed